Welcome back to our channel. Today we're diving into the world of academic writing and exploring tips and tricks for writing an outstanding dissertation introduction. The introduction is the gateway to your dissertation, and it's where you captivate your readers, set the stage for your research, and outline the significance of your study. So let's learn how to craft an impressive introduction that grabs attention and sets the tone for the rest of your dissertation. 1. Hook your readers. The first tip for an outstanding dissertation introduction is to hook your readers from the very beginning. You want to make a strong first impression that compels them to keep reading. We'll show you various strategies to achieve this, whether it's using a thought-provoking question, a powerful quote, or a surprising statistic. By capturing your readers' attention, you set the foundation for a compelling introduction. 2. Clearly state your research problem. Your introduction should clearly state the research problem or question that your dissertation seeks to address. We'll guide you on how to be concise yet precise in presenting your research focus. By clearly defining your research problem, you help your readers understand the context of your study and its relevance in the academic landscape. 3. Provide background and context. Offering a brief background and context for your research is essential in the introduction. This is your chance to situate your study within the existing literature and demonstrate your understanding of the field. We'll show you how to provide a concise overview of relevant theories, studies, and concepts that led you to formulate your research question. 4. Outline your objectives and scope. A well-structured introduction also outlines the objectives and scope of your research. What do you aim to achieve with your study? What are the boundaries of your research? We'll help you articulate your research objectives clearly, ensuring that your readers know what to expect from your dissertation. 5. Highlight the significance of your study. Last but not least, your introduction should highlight the significance of your research. What contributions does your study make to the field? Why is it important? We'll guide you on how to showcase the value of your research and the potential impact it can have on academic knowledge and real-world applications. Ultimately, writing an outstanding dissertation introduction requires careful planning and attention to detail. By following these 5 steps, you'll create an introduction that sets the stage for an impressive dissertation. Remember, the introduction is your opportunity to make a strong first impression and engage your readers. Take the time to craft a compelling introduction, and it will undoubtedly set the tone for the rest of your dissertation. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to learn how to complete your dissertation in 6 months or less.